was out of my mind.
Dear Matt.
Dear Corrina, wow.
I can't believe this day is finally here.
I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle and to become your husband.
I was spinning in circles looking for a sign.
Our wedding day is here.
It's a day I've been dreaming of since I was a little girl. And through all of those years, I have been praying for a man like you.
From our earliest days together, I've known you were something special. Your love has been a blessing through good times and not so good times.
Then you came to me like a dream in the night. Showed me the way, yeah, you saved my life. When you said, oh, until our days are through, oh, I'm never giving up on you through the sleepless nights, through the hardest times. Don't know what to do. I'm never giving up on you.
Oh, oh, don't you look beautiful?
Thank you.
Wow,
Yeah.
you look so gorgeous. Everybody looks so gorgeous. All these girls,
Thank you.
I'm so excited for what's to come and for the life and family that we are going to build together.
But even the everyday moments together, sharing laughs, talking, and navigating this crazy life together have been so much better because you were in them. Let's each do our best to live in the moment, say yes to new adventures, and start conquering our goals and knocking travel spots off our bucket lists.
I love you, Matthew, and I promise to love you forever, every day. I can't wait to marry you. I can't wait to be your wife. Thank you for choosing me. Love, Corrina.
And I can't wait to achieve our wildest dreams together. Love always, Matthew. Very sweet.
I'm never giving up on you through the sleepless nights.
The plans are in place,
It's times when you
and the preparation is finally done.
don't know what to do.
Enjoy this day coming together as one.
I'm never giving up on you.
Isn't it amazing what a single moment in time can do to change the world? It is not only about the choice you make, but it is about the community of faith that you influence by your lives together now as husband and wife. So look around you and see the family and friends, because today is not just about you alone. It's about what your love means to us as the church, as the community, as your family and friends, and what it means to the world. And in many ways, you are stepping out. You are stepping out to a life that you knew, to enter into a new life together as husband and wife. Love is more than a feeling, a noisy gong, a clanging cymbal. That real love is about patience and kindness and gentleness. It is not jealous or boastful, nor rude or selfish. It's the kind of love that is represented in this holy place where we are all welcomed. It is now my privilege to introduce to you the new Mr. and Mrs. Matthew and Corrina Wright.
So sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're living wild and free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams, yeah, this is the good life.
I remember sitting down years ago to write a list of qualities my future husband would have, and it turns out you were even more than I could have hoped for.
I'm so glad God led me past your car that summer night.
You walked past my Uber and into my heart, and I am so glad you did.
And I'm lucky that you're mine, and mostly that you put up with me.
Sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're living water free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams, yeah, this is the good life. Let the world slow down and wonders here now. Under open skies we all come alive. Let the world slow down and wonders here now. Under open skies we all come alive. This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're living water free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams, yeah, this is the good life. Yeah, this is the good life.
When we sat down together to think about what we wanted to say tonight, we couldn't believe, Corrina, that you'd finally found Mr. Right. Literally! Corrina has always been very loving, very generous, but difficult to please, and high maintenance. Oh, Matt, good luck.
So Matthew continued to hound Corrina for a couple years until she saw him walk by while she was waiting in traffic downtown Cleveland. He suggested they meet up. Well, she declined, so not to be denied, Matthew tried again and invited Corrina to go on the boat with him. So the next day, Corrina and Matthew spent most of their time sitting on the back of the boat talking to each other. And she thought, oh, he's actually pretty cool. And he hoped this was the start of something special. And as it turns out, it was.
As a parent, you try your best and your hardest to raise good, honest, and responsible children who cherish and value their family and friends. Natalie and I believe that, Matt, you and Corrina have become those people. Sometimes the road you didn't choose later on becomes the right road. In her case, it was.
Matt, it took long enough, but we're so happy that Corrina finally found the love of her life and Prince Charming.
Marriage is an equal partnership, and it's a give and a take. We're extremely excited to have Corrina join our family, and we wish Matthew and Corrina the absolute best.
It's very strange the way God's plans work. She's now where she was meant to be.